All right, so today we are going to go over the Copenhagen Hold. And this exercise specifically gets those inner thighs, which a lot of you might be thinking, woohoo, I need to get rid of that fat there. Well, that's not how it works. All right. The reason why you want to do this is it helps with hip stability. So you want muscle on the inside of your legs as well as the outside, top, back, all of that. You want a nice full thigh. All right, thick thighs save lives. Now, how to set up for this? I personally like to use a bench for this. Some people will use a box. I personally think that's uncomfortable. You could use steps. Whatever you use, you will be using this type of setup. I'm going to start out from the easiest and then progress to the hardest. All right. So you're going to start out with your knee on top so it's supported. All right. That top leg there is just hanging out. Then you're going to get into a side plank and then you're going to hold. So you're basically doing a side plank. This top leg, my inner thigh, is working. Now, to make this harder, you can do one or two things. You can move out. So now you increase that leverage. Woo! Yeah. So that's hard. So you can increase that leverage, or you can go through a range of motion, which is my personal preference. Okay, so you're right here. You bring your hips down, and then you come up. So I'm working that inner thigh. All the while, my knee is supported, my shoulder is nice and strong, my core is nice and tight as I come up, and then bring it back down. All right, so give this a try. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other exercises you want me to touch on, break down, go over, leave them in the comments below, and I'll add it to the list.